All right, guys, here's a recap of Monday, September 26, 2022. I just jump in right here. I see green on all of my charts here. It's an ideal setup. A mistake I made here was I should have went bigger on the contract size. I just took one contract. It's my first trade of the day. We've already been open. What time is it here? It is 7:36. So this is 6 minutes into the open here, and we see an ideal setup presenting itself right here. So it's pushing up really nicely there. And I'm about to take an exit here because I see that we're getting weak on the 30-second and the 1 minute chart here. I can see it's struggling up here. In a moment, what you're going to see is you're going to see the 30 seconds start to hook over, and then you're going to see the 1 minute start to hook over here. A lot of times when we get those nice big pushes, I mean, this from here all the way up to here is a push right there. I'm out, took my gains right there, and then I'm going to jump to my next trade. All right, my next trade is coming up here. This one, I put a buy stop limit order in at the top for new highs. I say, okay, this is all looking good. Let me go 2 contracts, right? I'm like, hey, last time I only bought 1 contract. This time, let me get 2 contracts here. We're going to get a nice push up in here, pushing those new highs for the day there. And then I'm setting up my exit order there, as you can see. And this is where my mistake is. I take too long to set up my exit order. And as you can see, we lost support here on my 1 minute and my 30-second. If I see those big pullbacks, it's just time to just get out a lot faster. I got messed up with getting my orders out. As you can see, my ordering chart thing here took way too long to bring it up. And then I took like a $50 loss right here. Yeah, I'm about to exit here, take the loss. Right now, I'm kind of like, okay, is my 1 minute going to confirm for a downtrend? And you can see our stop loss line went to the top, red, exited. Took like a $70 loss right there. All right, so here is my third trade for the day. I see we're getting an uptrend on our 30-second, uptrend on our 1, 5 minute. This one here, it's looking like it wants to go green here. I'm about to buy. I get in. This is probably a preemptive airstrike right here because I did not wait for my 5 minute to go green. I was like, hey, let's get in because we had green, yellow, green. And so we didn't have the ideal setup, but we had some setup here. And this is where I make a mistake again, where I'm just kind of waiting too long. This thing actually goes up and down. And I'm like up $50, down $20, up $50. It's kind of wild. I'm about to exit my position. I think I was about to, but then it started to go up. So I'm like holding on to it. Let's fast forward it here a bit so we can kind of see what happens. So you can see it's trading sideways here. So I'm like, oh, let me just hold on to it. We're not too out of the money. We're not too in the money, but we're kind of like in this decision making point here on which direction we're going to go. Still fluctuating here. Let me fast forward it just a little bit here. Now we start getting an up break here. We're up $12. Still got 1 contract in there because it's still iffy. So if it's iffy, I go less contracts. If it's more pointed in a certain direction. So here, I'm up $25, man. Oh, nice move. We're hitting the new highs for the open market here. Haven't quite reached the pre-market highs yet. We're getting really close, but I think this is where we hit the pre-market highs and we start to head back down here. So this one here continues to push up, $25, $26, $27. It's struggling up here at the highs. This is where I should have taken my exits up in the $30 range because, again, we've got the 30 and the 1 going red, hooking over at the same time, looking very weak with the candlesticks here. And there we're back down to 16 and we're losing our gains. We got both yellows on the 30 and the 1. That should have been my exit. Double yellows on the 30 and the 1, especially you're only up, 10, 20 ticks there. Got to take it. Got to take that money while it's green there. And there you go. I think I exit here. Don't remember exactly what happened here, but I don't. I do not exit. I let it fluctuate. This is a big lesson here. Yellow on the 30, yellow on the 1. Just take the exit. Play the resets here instead of, going up, being up $30, and now I'm back down to 5. It's a roller coaster ride of emotions. Don't want to do that again. So I fast forward this a bit. Look, I'm up $56, $53, $61. Why am I not exiting? Why? Why am I not? 20 ticks. It's up almost 30 ticks, 27 ticks now. Why am I not pulling the trigger? What's going on? What is going on? See, yellow on the 30. Look at that. Oh, look at that. 20 ticks gone in a flash. Like not even 30 seconds. Just gone. Oh, look, getting redemption right here. Second chance. Second chance to get on out of there. I'm still stuck in there. What are you doing, dude? Get out. You're yellow on the 1. You're yellow on the 30. Get out. Come on, man. Look at that thing just fluctuate there. I think I take a loss on this one. Yeah, let's fast forward it here. Let's fast forward it. Look at that. I'm still holding on to that thing. Still holding on to that thing. What am I doing? Just look at going for the road record. Look at that sideways just trading. Oh, down 36, down. And then I get out. Oh, this is why it's good to go recap your trades. Oh, horrible trade right there. All right, you guys got to watch this play here. So I'm looking at the 30, okay? I see it going in an uptrend. I'm like, look, I'm a domino strategy this bad boy. Boom, an M for 1. I'm going to grab one more. It's pushing. I'm grabbing 2. Domino strategy here where I jump in on the 30. I'm looking for my 1 for confirmation. The 1 says, hey, let's go. So I put in another contract order. I'm up at 3 now. I'm up at 3 contracts, and I'm watching my 5 like a hawk. I'm also watching my 30-second here. My 30-second needs to continue to push up. If I see any weakness, I got finger on the trigger, it's done. I'm out. This one's pushing very strong. We're approaching the new highs. We are also approaching the previous high here, up over here. But we are closed above the highs here. Let's see. It's getting really close. Okay, I'm up $50, 67, 71. We still see a strong 30-second and a minute. We need that 1 minute to push up, which it does push up there. Green's going. It's pushing. We're up $120. I've got finger on the trigger there. We're up 37, 39 ticks. We are making our money back. Let's go. This is why we want to take those domino position effects. We were trading sideways here. Dominoes. Boom. We get the breakout looking for the exit. My exit here is off the 1. And the 5 is on a strong uptrend. This 5 it's a choppy uptrend, but it's still on a very strong uptrend there. And look at this thing just push here. I'm still looking at my 30, still looking at my 1 minute. Like, what's going to happen? I'm watching them like a hawk. We get another strong push, even a better. Holy smokes, $225. Up 64 ticks. Wow. That's a lot. See, this 30-second here, I believe it goes yellow. And that would have been a nice exit there. But I was just a little bit too greedy here. And I was like, hey, you know what? We've got a strong 60, a strong 15, a strong 5. 60 ticks, man. That's usually a good place to be taken. At least sell some here. But watch what move I do here. So it starts pushing back up, right? It's trying. I decide to buy more. Don't ask me why. I decide to buy more here. I think it's probably going to the moon here. Let's see. It's kind of struggling there. Yeah, this sideways trading, I was kind of waiting for the next leg up, the next breakout. But, man, 60 ticks. I think that's just a good time to exit. Yeah, look at this thing. I'm still holding on to this thing. I got yellow on the 30, yellow on the 1. I'm like, okay, let's hold it till this 5 goes yellow. And I'm up 5 contracts now, meaning that the more ticks it moves, the more money I lose or the more money I make. Look at that red. Oh, I'm scratching my head here. I'm like, why am I still in this trade? Okay. There we go. I'm trying to exit here. I exit with like $120. Ugh. At least I exited. And that 5, I was trying to give that 5 some space, but I mean, you got to keep in mind, this 5 has already kind of made its run. Even the 15 here. And so, yeah, that's the recap for today. Not totally happy with how I traded today. Ended up $50 in the red. And my lessons, my key takeaways here is my exits are on the 30 and the 1 going yellow. And when I'm up, good amount of ticks there, just take the exit, take the gains. I got greedy today. Tomorrow, we're going to try again. Have a great day, everybody.